In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Hyper-V or Hypervisor on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So it is a very simple step, but for that you need administrator permission. So to do it, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for terminal. Then just right click on terminal and click on run as administrator. Give it all the permission that it needs. And after that, what you need to do is in here just type this command, which is bcd edit bcd edit space /set set space hypervisor launch type, which is hypervisor lunchtype space off. And this is gonna set your hypervisor launch type to off, which is gonna disable or turn off your Hyper-V. So just hit enter and your hypervisor will be turned off. But I don't want to turn it off, so I'm just not gonna hit it. If you hit enter, that's it. Then just go ahead and restart your computer. And basically, that is how to turn off Hypervisor or Hyper-V on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.